they can't always control. Hello, my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. You know, humans have emotions that they can't always control. I'm not saying to become emotionless like a robot, but you have to teach your brain to pay less attention to emotions and focus more on productivity. When you're doing important work, when you are working, goals should be your motivation, not your feelings. For example, when you are working and suddenly a negative feeling comes over you, ask yourself, is this feeling helping me to do my job? If the answer is no, let go of that feeling. Sometimes you get angry and frustrated with someone and you seek revenge. Ask yourself, does retaliation help me do my job? When it comes to work, put aside your emotions and pride and do your job. For example, did you know that reducing stress always helps a person, helps you? You know, it can help you, yeah. It can help you to be more creative. So, many times goals are the priority, and if you let emotions come over and create unnecessary feelings, you will lose, because that's true. You won't achieve what you want in your life. That's true. So be very careful and control your emotions, control your feelings. Okay? Think. Dear unique, always remember, there is only one you. You cannot take someone else's place. Also, no one, absolutely no one can take your place. Be in the shelter of God's love always, forever and beyond.